Arguably, one of the hardest parts of project management is people management. You may have so many different conflicting personalities and communication styles. You may need to adapt to those communication styles and learn if people prefer email or text or Microsoft Teams or stopping by their desk. One way to help with people management is relationship building. Relationship is the most important currency in the workplace. Now, as a project manager, you don't have any authority. You can't threaten to fire anybody, and you can't promise a raise or a bonus. So, by building strong relationships, that is a way to influence and persuade when your team has to work extra hours or has to shift their priorities. There are many different ways to do this. Some of them are be credible, know what you're talking about. When your team can trust you, they will follow you more easily. Care about your team. And don't do this with any kind of agenda, just genuinely care. Ask how their weekend was. If you know they're going through a hard time or just suffered a loss, check in with them. If they get a promotion or win some kind of award, celebrate their accomplishment with them. Show appreciation. In my old company, they offered something called peer rewards. If somebody on your team did a really good job, you could give them a card. And when they collected 5 cards, they could get a $50 gift card to anywhere of their choice. Every time I had a project or a focus group, I made sure that everybody got a peer reward. They really appreciated it because not many of their peers took advantage of this program. Keep in touch with them. Be creative. I would use Microsoft Teams, and every morning I would say, Happy Winning Wednesday or Happy Thriving Thursday. Wish them a great weekend. Mondays, check to see how their weekend was. Relationship building will help you when you need to rely on your team. I was given a project that the team needed to complete in 2 months to solve over $1 million worth of financial discrepancies. Now, my senior director was really worried that the team wouldn't do the work because they had so many competing priorities. I wasn't worried. I had deposited a lot of energy into that relationship bank over the years. When I gathered the team together for a stand-up and asked them to please work on this project, no problem. Yes, I had to do the normal follow-up weekly. Some people I had to handhold a little more and do some more daily meetings with them, but they got the work done. And my senior director was impressed and a little surprised. When you don't have the authority to, I don't want to say make people do things, but when you don't have authority in the workplace, there is nothing more important than relationship building.